have a special occasion coming up and you are just stressing over finding the right dress that is going to work with your beautiful body, let me show you the styles of dresses that are going to work best for you. Plus, if you need a dress like yesterday, my no-fail styles that look good on everyone. I'm Jordan Blackwell, former engineer turned full-time content creator behind Little Miss JB Style, sharing with you life's possibilities through style. Beauty comes in all shapes and sizes. I've touched on this in my video on how to find your body type, and also in my holiday video with tips on how to put together outfits that are going to flatter your figure, plus what to wear to different occasions like brunch and date night. Today, I'm focusing on the special occasions because I know how pressed it can get trying to find the right pieces that are flattering, work within your budget, and that you're gonna wanna wear again and again and again. Plus, not be embarrassed to repost on your social media because you need to remind them you still look that good in the dress. From hourglass to apple shape, I have curated dresses that are going to make you shine for any occasion. I'm gonna start with the dresses that complement specific body types because these can take a little bit more time to find simply because you're gonna wanna try on different styles. You might wanna shop different brands working within your budget. These are dresses that are going to be so amazing for your beautiful body. However, I encourage you to take your time to make sure that you are finding the perfect dress that works for you and not rushing to just buy anything that's simply these styles. For my hourglass beauties, you really can't go wrong with any style, you lucky girl, you like. I'm envious. I recommend that you embrace your curves with a chic wrap style dress, something along these lines. It's all about accentuating your waist and really embracing your beautiful hourglass figure. This style of dress will work for formal dances, galas, weddings, black tie events, and even graduations. If you're on the conservative side, consider A-line dresses that are at least mid-length. These are going to give you a lot of coverage while still showing off your beautiful figure and working for many occasions while being able to be worn year after year after year. In fact, for each of the beautiful body shapes and my no-fail styles, I have linked in the description 2 pieces that you can shop right now that I absolutely recommend that would look absolutely amazing, not just now, but for years to come. If you got an apple shape, say hello to Empire dresses similar to these. They are so flattering and they're going to hug you up top while flowing so beautifully, so gracefully over your midsection, giving you that perfect blend of comfort and style that work for so many different special occasions. Rectangular girlies, the name of the game is to create curves, okay? Because you are straight up and down and there's nothing wrong with that. There are so many dresses and styles that your beautiful body can pull off like in a way that the rest of us just simply cannot. When it comes to special occasions, finding the right dresses, look for pieces that have volume throughout, especially in the shoulder area and volume at the bottom. This is such an easy way to create curves and give the illusion of a full body similar to these styles of dresses. Another thing to keep in mind that you can take advantage of is the use of color in dresses as well. If find two-tone dresses or ombre dresses, those are going to be an easy way also to create shape. Using the lighter color to expand and the darker color to minimize will also create the illusion of curves as well for your amazing body. For my inverted triangles, you got them yitties up top, girl, blessings, because as you know, the rest of us would just love a scoop or two. I know your struggle feels so real because the problem when you are big chested is that like anything looks like you're trying to be too sexual. When the girls show, it's like, ooh, okay, like she really just trying to be seen when you just in fact have boobs, which I get is just so frustrating. The nice thing about special occasions, especially black tie, things like that, you do have the opportunity to show a little bit more skin without it coming off the wrong way or being seen as like, oh, okay, like she wants that kind of attention, right? When you're looking at dresses, think fit flare, and you're really going for dresses that have a little bit lower neckline to help elongate your neck, and the flare at the bottom is actually going to create volume to balance out your busty curves up top. Now for my pear-shaped shorties, you know what to do, my favorite crew. Fit flare dresses are also our best friend. The only difference that we are actually looking for when it comes to fit flare dresses is a higher neckline. Higher necklines for us are going to help give the illusion of fuller bust, fuller curves, especially if you do a two-tone dress where you have the lighter color up top, the darker color on the bottom. That is just going to skim and look absolutely amazing. Dresses like these will look so great for all kinds of special occasions. Before I get into the dress styles that are universally flattering that you absolutely cannot go wrong with and should have at least one in your closet, make sure that you boop the like button. That lets me know to keep creating this kind of content for you. Drum roll for the universally flattering dresses. These are gonna look good no matter your body shape. A lot of these you'll be able to buy sight unseen. If you really need a dress like today, tomorrow, you need one like right now. If you need one like right now, all these dresses pretty much sight unseen, as long as you pick your right size, are going to work and look amazing for formal occasions. The first style of dress, an A-line dress. This is a classic style of dress that is always going to look good. You can get different lengths depending on the type of occasion you're going to. Graduations, formal dances, things like that. You can go with a little bit shorter dress, anything like slightly above the knee. If it's a more elegant affair, you just really want to give like old money luxury, go for more maxi styles. I do feel like maxi style dresses always just are a moment. Absolutely turn heads that's for a special occasion. Like, you see how stunning these dresses will accentuate your curves, whether you're curvy, petite, tall. This style of dress really is a classic. The second no fail style of dress, a wrap style dress. This is going to work for every single body type. The key here is to play around with the fabric of the dress and the patterns based on like how formal the event is. For graduation or just like a nicer party, you don't need to have, I would say, more like silky, satiny fabric. You can go with some jersey materials or something like that. But if you are black tie, formal dances, things like that, really reach for like satin and silky type of materials that have that flow, and that will really pop and make the dress stand out. And you can even find some with really cool details, whether it's pleating along the bust or even some embellishments along the bottom of the dress. There are so many different ways to add personality in this style, but it is going to look so, I mean, literally, you cannot go wrong. So amazing on every single body type. Another really great option that does get overlooked a lot, and I totally understand why that is actually flattering for every body type, a blazer dress. Now look, I have a couple of different blazer dresses, this one from Zara and this one from River Island. These are so fun, and they come in so many different fabrics and styles that you are going to be able to find one that works with your amazing body. You can pair it with chic belts in order to cinch it and add more volume. Play around with different textures. The sequence is always a moment and really just turns heads, and so does the fringe. Like, who doesn't love a dress with a lot of motion, right? Like, it's just absolutely so fun and so unique and so different. But because a blazer is still more formal, it works for literally all the different special occasions that you have. And what I really love about the blazer dress personally is the fact that you can restyle it to just step up more casual outfits. So this is a dress that not only you'll be able to wear for your formal occasions, you'll be able to take it to like the everyday or just step up a casual outfit and have fun with it. So you really get a lot of bang for your buck when it comes to blazer dresses. And when it comes to dresses, I know it can feel so daunting because you really feel like you want it to fit you just right. Then you also have to struggle with shapewear. If you feel like you just continue to struggle with finding the right dresses that look absolutely amazing for your body, go ahead and sign up for my email list, because I share exclusive roundups you cannot get anywhere else with dresses that are going to work for your body and for a bunch of different occasions, whether it's more casual occasions or dressier occasions. Plus, you get access to discounts, so that means you can get the dresses you are seeing for even less, because who wants to pay full price? So go ahead and sign up for my email list to get access to that in the description. The other thing to keep in mind when it comes to dressing for special occasions and finding the right dresses is it isn't just about the pieces that you are wearing. It is about you, baby. Like, you need to have that confidence and step in the room. And a huge part of that isn't just about finding the right pieces and actually being confident in yourself. And the way to become more confident is to truly understand your body and understand yourself. If you're ready to go ahead and take that step to become more confident, really transform your style, and just own the room, go ahead and watch this video on how to find your body type, because I'm going to walk you through all these steps on how to identify your body, plus why that information is not only important to dress better, but to have confidence in your style. So go ahead and watch that next.